Most people would just throw this old rotten wood away. But today, I'm turning it into something both useful and artistic. You won't believe how it turns out. Let's get started. And then, I shape it to fit what I'm making. Next step, smooth it with sandpaper. Now it's starting to take shape. From something that looked useless, it's becoming the base for a brand new creation. I added a little finishing touch to make the color pop and protect the surface. Bit by bit, this old scrap wood is turning into something with its own charm and beauty. And here's the result. This used to be nothing but scrap wood, and now it's something useful and artistic. Sometimes, you just need a little time and creativity to find beauty in simple things. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more projects like this.